Are you potentially leaning towards selling the property that is being left to the family, or is it just way too early to tell? What are they probably going to say? What are they going to tell me at this point? Are you thinking about selling that property that's in the estate, or is it just too early to tell?
Too early to tell. Not
Too,
sure.
too early to tell. I don't know. So what do I know now? What do I know?
That
They've said,
potentially they're going to sell at some point.
yep, yep. I know that there's a house. That's number one. So now I got permission to market very easily, by the way, very, very easily. And now I also, because I set it up where they can say, yeah, it's too early to tell, as soon as that comes out of their mouth, I know that there's a house and that there is a likelihood that it's going to sell. So there's a likelihood that it's going to sell. I've accomplished now two of my first goals on any prospecting call. Yes, you can send me resources. Number two, there is a house that's probably going to sell. Next objective I have is to get them to tell me that I can be involved when that happens. Not, I promise you, I'm going to list with you. Not, you can definitely buy the house, nothing like that. But I do want them to say, yes, you can somehow be involved. So I want their commitment, whether they honor it or remember it later or not. I at least want to get a little commitment. So what I'm normally going to say with it's too early to tell is, hey, I completely understand. It's probably going to be a while before you guys decide on that, right? So I'm making it really easy for them to hold me off. They don't feel the need to resist me and over understate their motivation because I'm just kind of making it so easy on them and they'll go, "Yeah, it's going to be a little while." Is it going to be a while? I don't know. I just need rapport. I need their commitment to let me at least interview or make an offer or something like that. So I'm going to go, "Listen, I know it's going to be a while, so not for today, but if once probate is over, if you guys decide that you were going to sell, do you think maybe there's any chance that I could bring you an offer?" Hey, are you a real estate agent or an investor looking for a way to find consistent and motivated sellers? I want to invite you to take a look at the probate and estate niche with a free class that I hold every week. It's called Probate Foundations, and you can sign up for free over at www.probatemastery.com. Let's jump back to the training. So let me ask you guys again. Is it possible that they would say no? It's possible, but is it likely that you're going to say no the way I ask that question? I'm not asking for today. If at some point down the road you did decide to sell, do you think I could potentially bring you an offer? So now I've gotten my
Bruce,
third objective accomplished. Yes, you can bring an offer if we decide to sell the house. Does this work every single time? Not every time.
Bruce, I have
Most
a
of the time.
Bruce,
Yeah.
can you hear me?
Yes.
I don't think that they would say, no, you can't bring me an offer. I believe that they would say, well, I'm not sure what we want to sell for. We have no idea what the home is worth. So maybe we can sit down when we're ready to sell and look at what our home is valued. But
Ding,
I
ding,
don't,
ding, ding, ding. Yeah. Right.
yeah.
Um, Now, I think that what you're describing, I would hope that they say that. What you just said to me, is not best case scenario, but it's a better case scenario that I'm prepared for. I am hoping that they say that. I'm hoping that they say, "Yeah, we're going to sell next week. Come out and interview. Come out and give us a listing presentation. Come out and make us an offer." I'm hoping that. If they don't say that, I would also hope that they say what you say. Well, we don't know what it's worth. Maybe at that time you could come show us what it might be worth. I would hope that they would say that, but they're still not normally going to use those top two, take those top two options that I'm hoping for. Most of the time, it sounds like this. Like I said, now I hate if you've been around me for a while and if you've role played, I hate it when a prospect starts a statement with, like I said. It's essentially a polite way of saying, are you dumb? Didn't I already tell you this? Okay. But in this particular case, I don't mind them saying, like I said. They'll usually try to hedge on me a little bit and they'll say, like I said, we don't know if we're going to sell yet. So they want to double down. They want to make sure that I'm not trapping them. So, like I said, we don't know if we're going to sell yet, but yes, if we do sell, you could bring an offer. Now, I love the phrasing bring an offer, especially for those of you that are real estate agents. Love the phrasing bring an offer.